Dissolve! Dissolve!
I'm not going to do you anything. I just want to check whether your guy is there around. Hi.
Dissolve! Dissolve! Dissolve!
Idiots. Look at this stupid girl. What are you doing with my son? Huh? My son! My son!
You're trophy, yeah, man.
The boys' good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
Michael, you again. What are you looking for? You again.
Dissolve! Dissolve!
If you hit me this one, you won't buy me. I beg. No be here fine come. Now your friend. Like this now make they go I beg, eh? No hit me this one now.
Okay, what you call fine for you now?
And a landing error. I no plan am. No be here I be one come.
Landing error, okay.
You get it?
Landing error, okay.
If you don't get it,
If I take, I don't even know how I take get here. Like this now I beg, make they go.
Okay, what you call make I do now? Yeah, get her from here now, fast.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bob, how are you?
Fine.
Have you eaten?
No.
Oh, you have not eaten?
Jesus! Jesus!
Thank
Jesus! Jesus! My brother was here. Obina. Jesus.
Dissolve! 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 God have mercy upon us.
Oh, it's you.
you get it?
Surely I was caught. Emarankai Manko. Whatever you think you know, I know it more than you. You cannot hurt me.
Dissolve! Dissolve! Dissolve!
Try me again and you will lose your life. Rubbish.
You again.
Dissolve! Dissolve!
Get your VM. Nde na-alụ ọrụ na Gogo Klisa ka nkụ.
The boys' good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
Holy Ghost! 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 Jesus! Jesus! Jesus!
It shock you? You see that Baba? That Baba must give me my money back. No, don't tell me Baba must give me my money back. Baba, we are sorry.
No one fights me and goes scot-free.
The boys' good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
Stop me. You will not sell me. You will see in this house. Go on, you will see. Try me again and you will lose your life. Rubbish.
My strength is too much. Come and punch. Come and punch. 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 My strength is too much. My strength is too much. My strength is too much. I don't tell you. I don't tell you. I tell you. My strength is too much. My strength is too much. My strength. Calm down.
Get your VM.
I have citadel. I have sanctum sanatoriums. When it comes for power, I have Rebadu, I have Sepre, I have Ramande, I have Abito Cheka, I have Kantuka Kantusa, I have Refasefare, I have Palebosken Delebo, I have Dabus Kabash, I have Daboski Baos.
I thought my strength is too much.
Which?
The boys' good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
I have citadel. I have sanctum sanatoriums.
Wicked pregnant woman.
Yeah, Choivi, yeah, man.
Okay, I will keep my Kelly Wagyu. If I release one and be to check out to you, when you are talking that nonsense, my Kelly.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
You evil men, I am out for you people.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
Follow me. Follow me.
Go and tell my mother what you did to me. Else, I will take your life away. My mother sent me to your house for you to take care of me. And all you could do is to use me for a ritual.
I'm sorry.
How wicked can you be?
I'm sorry, please, I'm sorry.
Go and tell my mother what you did to me.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
So you killed me for you to be bringing different women in this house. No woman will come into this house. I repeat, no woman will come into this house.
You said? She said I can hear. He said I should follow you.
God have mercy upon us.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
Follow me.
Stop! Why do you want to use her for a ritual? Anyone use your child for a ritual?
What are you talking about? She's my daughter.
She's not your daughter. Release her.
Your little boy. Will you go to school?
Why do you want to use people's child for a ritual? Release her now or I'll destroy you.
You will destroy me? You cannot destroy me.
I cannot destroy you.
Yes, if I slap you. Come on, will you go to school? You can't destroy me. Who are you?
I can't destroy you, right? I can't destroy you. You said I can't destroy you. Now you have seen it.
Jesus, who are you?
Don't ask me who I am. Go! Go to school now. Leave! You said I can't destroy you, but you have seen me.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
God have mercy upon us.
You didn't finish it.
No, I didn't finish it. Pick up.
I just want you to hold me from the back.
Okay, baby.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.
Are you surprised? No, are you surprised?
But I didn't.
But that's what you did now.
I didn't do anything.
The same thing you did is what I'm doing. Is there anything wrong with that? Oh, you think I'm scared of you? I should.
Yeah!
I am that I am. I am that I am. Okay, you don't know the man who came to his house and he wants to play with my treasure, so you want to poison me? You think you can charm me? You're very stupid. I don't want to see you here. Get out of this place. Now. Get out! Yes! Take it. Take! Out! I said get out! Say that man can go be there. Ask question. Joel said before you enter the house.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
No, baby. No, baby. Let's go to the room. Let's go to the room. Why? I want to take this. This is again. Surprise. Hey!
God have mercy upon us.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
You watching me there? Make sure you pray before you embark on any journey. Business journey, anything at all. Make sure you pray. God never fails. Hallelujah.
Let's have it.
Come and do.
Nah.
Come.
I don't want it.
Come.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
Leave me a bag. Which kind prank? No, do this with my bag. Calm down now. You come and say you come house. Which kind of that one now? Test you now. Calm down, bro. Oh, don't touch my bag. Leave me now. Leave me now. My house. What's in your guy? Leave me a bag. Which kind of which kind of prank now? I know they like all this kind of bag. If you want come out, come out. No, they do this kind of bag.
The boys good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
Aksa, you're very beautiful now. Just hold on now.
I'm not interested.
No, this is me. The boy is good. I'm the one talking to you.
I'm not interested.
Baby, you are very beautiful.
I'm not interested.
I
say I'm not interested.
I love you so much.
I'm not interested.
I am not just telling you this thing because...
I'm not interested.
Huh?
Wait. So now this same format where you take collect my phone number. Now you come there this... Wait. I will slap you now.
What's the meaning of that now? You want to slap me?
So you be a shower?
What you be a shower? When I'm talking to her now, what's it?
Can you imagine?
Do you know me?
Just few minutes ago. If you see when this guy mouth was as in... I even gave him my number thinking he's a nice person.
I know you sell clothes now. I collected the number because of your brand now. Is that doing anything wrong?
Jesus. The boy is good.
What the boy is good again? I collected the number because of your brand now. Babe, listen.
See, men will steal your wife. This man is a useless man. He's a
Stop.
useless
No, I won't take it. Don't ever insult me.
You be a shower.
Better one. Say it
yes, he be. Yeah. No mind.
Who said they go? Where they go again?
I beg. Not near me. Not just near me.
No, don't mind her. Listen.
I beg go. I'm not interested.
No. This girl was just saying. This girl, she was lying.
Just leave me.
Come. Come. Now, I think don't push you again now. No, you don't push you again, Abby. No, you don't push you again, Abby. You go follow me go house, so. No, you go follow me go house. I don't understand. You want to slap me?
It's like something is wrong with you.
You want to slap me?
It's like something is
wrong.
You go follow me.
Touch me again. Jesus.
I said, don't touch me. Are you crazy? I said, don't touch me. Don't allow your filthy hands to touch me again, stupid boy.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Which kind of nonsense be this one now? Hey! Kanaga, what did I do now? Eh? Hey!
The boys' good is on it again. Another hit. Forget it, Biko. Action!
You see, you are the beauty of my nightingale, of my ex in paradise, my lonely garden. What can I do with